Hi, this is Charnon Tulabadi from Gravitech Thai. So the Gravitech is the PCB manufacturing company. We started in United States since 2006, and now we're expanding our manufacturing capability to Thailand about 3 years ago in 2013. So what we do is we design and manufacturing the DIY electronic circuit board for those in the maker market or for the development market who like to use the development tools, for example, like all the microcontroller board. That would be the field of like Arduino or Raspberry Pi or something like ST Micro, for example. Also, we producing the sensor board around the microcontroller circuitry. So the people who buy them can go build the rapid prototyping really quickly. We also provide the customer with the example library example codes so it can get up and running really quickly, and then after that they can come up with the prototype so they can go to investor or go to the next level of mass manufacturing them. In Thailand, I think the PCB market is expanding. It's still growing really fast. In the world, we are the number 13 manufacturer of electronic devices. So the PCB is the main part of the electronic. So every electronic has the PCB. So I think in Thailand alone, it will expand to the next level, because now all of the major sources for component and for like the PCB and the knowledge here is it is circling around the Asia market. So Thailand would be one of the country that can adapt them really quickly. Product that we import and we sell them here locally in Thailand would be the same type of product that we design and manufacture, which is the product that's supporting the maker market. For example, like the development board from all over the world. Now the trend is very popular in the IoT segment, which is the Internet of Things. So we have a lot of development tool that gain towards the for example, like the wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi, or like new coming, which is the LoRa technology, or NB-IoT, the narrowband of the wireless devices that connected together, and that would be one of the major things that we importing and sell them in Thailand. Basically, we import them from all over the world, but majority of it would be from the United States, of course, and then some from the Europe. For China, we do import them, but those are more of like a raw component, not the finished product. Because if we looking for some latest and greatest technology trend, of course, it will be importing from United States. I think the trend here in Southeast Asia is become really more and more popular for the foreigner to come in and doing the investment to build up the manufacturing here, because of all of the logistics that's supporting it. For example, we can get the component from China really quickly if the manufacturer is somewhere in United States or in Europe. It would take a lot of time to come in. Plus, nowadays we have really knowledgeable personnel here that can help out doing the design and doing the manufacturing, and we gain a lot of those knowledge, a lot of those skills from over the years. So I think it's really trend to seem to become more and more popular here in Southeast Asia, and our labor is still really competitive compared to all the other countries around the world. For the PCB Expo Thailand 2017, we are planning to bring a lot of showcase about the Internet of Things products. that really hot and really popular. We are expecting to be 50 billion devices by 2020, and those 50 billion devices, of course, majority of them going to be built and manufactured here in Asia. So we'll have a lot of product showcase, example of how all these devices connected together and how we can design the PCB so it's accepted to all the interference with the RF frequency and all that stuff. So we can educate all the customer who come in and see, and to show them how to design the PCB so it can pass all the FCC, all the regulation and all the other stuff too. So we're excited to be there. Yep.